Good morning students. Today I am going to start with you a poem, The Squirrel. It is a very simple and a very small poem written by Mildred Balls Armstrong, and the rhyme scheme of the poem is A, B, C, B, D, B. Before I start the line to line explanation of the poem, I would like to give you a brief description of the poem before I start the explanation. The poet tells us about the nature of the squirrel. In this poem, the poet has written a poem on a squirrel, a very small animal, but who ran very fast. That it is innocent, and the animal is very innocent and naughty. You may have seen so many times squirrel near your gardens, near the trees, running very fast. That is a very fast paced animal and likes to tease anyone and comes near him, and its tail look like a question mark, and always likes to play with the other persons, and its tail is look like a question mark. It means the shape of the tail is like a question mark. It bends like that. It gives us the impression of the question mark. In this poem, the main character is the squirrel. Sits in an upright position, likes to eat nuts. Squirrel is sitting on the branch of a tree, very straight. Normally we see the squirrel is bending and running here and there, but in the poem we have seen that the squirrel is sitting on a branch of tree with her back straight. A naughty and an intelligent animal whose tail is like a question mark. The animal is a very naughty but intelligent, and its tail is like a question mark. Its shape is like a question mark. It likes to tease and play, और वो खेलना चाहती है और छेड़ना मतलब fun. Tease mean to fun way. With fun way he wants to play with the poet. Now new words in the poem. Question mark for a tail. The tail which look like a question mark. Overcoat of a grey. The squirrel appear wearing a grey coat. Grey coat here means his skin is grey in color. Poet has used the word for skin, coat. Tease, to make fun of. वो fun करती है, मजाक करते हैं, खेलती है. Just like hide and seek, she plays with the poet. Synonym of coat and tease. To try to find the more synonym of coat and tease from the dictionary. You can see how many types we can see the word coat. Make questions with the WH family means what, when, where, why, whom. Whom is teasing, why the squirrel is, what is the squirrel eating, just like that. Try to make the questions. Now let us read the poem. He wore a question mark for tail. For her tail means in the first line poet tries to tell us that she wears a question mark, means her tail looks like a question mark. It bent like this, that it gives the impression of a question mark. An overcoat of grey. Overcoat of grey means her skin is grey in color. Her skin looks like grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. On a branch of you can see from the picture also, she is sitting on a branch of tree and her back looks straight. Normally it is you can't see the squirrel sitting like this. Most of the time you can see him only here and there running. And if we ran around his tree, he liked to tease and play, and if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. The poet here likes to tease, उसे छेड़ना चाहता है, and the poet wants to play with the squirrel. And if we ran around his tree, poet कहता है अगर हम उसके ट्री के आसपास घूमते हैं तो he went the other way, वो दूसरी तरफ चले जाती है. Here the poet is saying if we ran around the tree, the squirrel moves to the other side of the tree. This is the explanation, line to line explanation of the poem. You can note down in your notebooks also. Now let us discuss the question answer of the poem. What does the poet say? Squirrel wore a question mark. Draw a squirrel and find a picture of squirrel sitting on a ground. How would you describe its tail? The poet said that squirrel wore a question mark because its tail is twisting. इस तरह से ट्विस्ट हुई होती है कि it looks like a question mark. Now next question. Do we usually say that an animal wears a tail? What do we say? Normally हम कहते हैं कि उसने मतलब wears a tail wear किया. Normally we use the word has कि this animal has a tail. We don't use the word wear for like this. We usually say that animal has a set of given characteristics. Animal has a horn, animal has a tail. But in the poem, poet used the word wear to show the external character of the squirrel. He likes to tease and play. Who is teasing and whom? How? कैसे, कौन किसको टीज कर रहा है, हमने पहले भी पढ़ा है. What is the meaning of tease? To have fun. The poet like to tease and play with the squirrel. Poet tease और play स्क्वायरल को टीज करना, उसके साथ फन में खेलना चाहता है. whenever the poet went close to the squirrel would run away in the other direction. Now very short answer type question. What is being compared to grey overcoat? ग्रे ओवरकोट के साथ किसको कंपेयर किया गया है? I know all of you know the answer. The squirrel. Body is being compared to grey overcoat. Discuss the posture of the squirrel discussed in line 3rd of the poem. In the 3rd line of the poem, what does the poet explain the posture of the squirrel? कैसा था उसका? She sat up straight. उसकी जो बैक थी वो straight थी. And else the squirrel usually sits and runs with the bended back. Normally she runs with the bended back. But that time she was eating a nut. Which nut she was eating? She was eating a akhrot that we call. What did the squirrel do if someone came too close to his tree? You have in the last line of the poem, you have read that the squirrel would run away in the opposite direction. If someone came close to her, sometime I am using the word he for squirrel and sometime I am using the word she for the squirrel. If someone came close to his tree, but the poet has used her as a masculine, male gender. Run away in the if someone came close to his tree. जो कोई भी उसके पास आता है तो वो वहाँ से भाग जाती है. आपने भी देखा होगा कई बार स्क्वायरल को उसको हाथ लगाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. जैसे ही हम उसके क्लोज जाते हैं, she run away very fast. Having observed the squirrel around us, can we say that the squirrel is a fast-paced animal? Yes. On our observation, we have observed that squirrel is definitely a fast-paced animal. We rarely come across the squirrel sitting. कभी बहुत रेयर होता है हम स्क्वायरल को सीधा बैठा देखें. Except when they were biting into the nut. जब वो कुछ खा रही है, nuts खा रही है, that time we can see him sitting straight. Otherwise, every time she move on, it is a very fast-paced animal, so it always move on with great energy. What does the poem say about the poet's choice of subject? The poem is a reflection of poet's desire to compose poetry on most mundane element that we come across in our day-to-day surrounding. It is a very अजीब सा उसने एक टॉपिक लेके जो पोएट ने वो बनाई है स्क्वायरल पे पोएट्री. मोस्ट कॉमनली फाउंड एनिमल है, हम रोज़ देखते हैं, बट nobody think that we should nobody give any particular attention toward that animal. Now this is the end of this poem. I hope you all have understood this poem. Thank you.